What's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna do the front shocks on my 2001 Chevy Silverado. Looks pretty simple. I have to put the jack on there and just take this nut off from up here, and then come down here and pull this one out, take that nut off and pull that bolt out. You should be able to remove the shock. You're gonna need a jack, an adjustable wrench, a 13/16 socket. I have another 3/8 ratchet, a 14mm. I got this long ass extension, and then the two shocks. I think it's time to maybe replace the ball joints on my truck. Tires ain't looking too damn good. But anyway, back to the shocks. I'm also going to use the 14mm ratchet wrench. We're going to need it for this right here. We're going to have to hold up here with like the adjustable wrench or some pliers or something, and then break this nut loose and thread it up. Alright, go ahead. Alright. Jack the truck up. You don't need to lift it too high. You just want to take the weight off the shocks. It's always fun doing this on a dirt driveway. Jack don't want to move. That looks pretty good. Tires are starting to move. So I'm going to use my impact gun. See if this thing can't create enough torque to just spin that nut off without having to hold the shock or hold up top with pliers and do it with a ratchet wrench. We'll see how it goes. Nice. Alright, we got it. So if you have an impact gun, definitely use it. Get that off. Then pull these right off. Get these off. Set them to the side. Alright. I just wanted to add in, if you're having trouble getting this top nut off, have a buddy or someone grab like a pair. These are this is an oil wrench and oil filter wrench, my bad. Just have your buddy or anyone grab right on to the top of the shock up here, because if you hold that, you'll be able to break the nut loose from up here. Instead of holding it up top with pliers, like I said at the beginning, just do it this way. It'll be a lot easier. I don't know if it's spinning on the other side. Probably. Nope. Alright, now it is. And of course I don't have a 1/2 inch for my impact gun. Alright, so this is when we're going to need the adjustable wrench to put on the other side. Hold that bolt. Maybe if I can get the damn thing on. Alright. There we go. Yeah, since we got the weight up off the shocks, this bolt should just come right out. Nice and smooth. There we go. And we should be able to grab the shock. Pull it right out. There we go. So there's the old one. Yeah, we got the new hardware. Put that metal washer on. And this has a big side and a little side. The small side goes down like that. They only gave me one new nut, so I'm gonna have to reuse one. So now we're good to put the new shock back in. Put it right in place. Alright, get that dirt off of there. Alright, got the bolt in, put the nut back on. Hold the other side with your adjustable wrench again. And tighten this baby back up. I'm not using torque specs. If you want to do that, just research it on Google what the torque specs are supposed to be for the bolts and nuts on the front shocks. Alright, now we'll go back up top. I'll put that same thing back up top. That thing's beat. They didn't give me new hardware for this, the top stuff. Alright, got the nut back on. I'm gonna grab my impact gun again. Let's see if I can't get it with this. Make sure that's centered. Alright. Like I said, you should rarely tighten these down to torque spec. I don't recommend doing what I'm doing, just guessing on the tightness. I am going to touch that with a ratchet so I can feel how tight it really is. I'm thinking we're just spinning. Oh, there we go. Alright. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Let's just repeat the same process. This should make your truck ride a lot smoother and not be so tippy. You know, to make the bumps feel a little smoother. hopefully this helps you guys out. If you don't follow me already, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to post many more videos, help everyone out. If this video helps, hit that like button. And if you got any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you guys. See you in the next one.